What is going on, everybody? Vitai Dubin is here, and welcome back, everybody, to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. The crypto markets are once again in the green. We have so much to talk about. Some coins are in the double digits gains. Yesterday, I was in a yacht with the owner and founder of Crypterium. It's up 60% in the last 24 hours. We can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, they're all getting back up to speed. Solana up 25%, Terra Luna 15%, Avalanche back above $100. We can see the money started to flow back into the crypto markets. We're looking at Bitcoin. We finally broke out of the triangle that we have been since the beginning of 2022. And right now we are facing the resistance around $47,000, which is a significant resistance because we had right here essentially a lot of price action that eventually broke down, and you can see here as well there was an area of support. So it's a significant one, and we need to overcome it because the next one, very significant, is around $51,000 to $54,000. This whole area needs to be essentially broken. We are still in this channel, this over 1 year channel. So once we break it, man, Bitcoin is going to go way higher than that. But you gotta be patient, and congratulations to everyone who were holding Bitcoin. As I was telling multiple times, that right now when the market is in the biggest fear and we're in the golden zone, this is the time to buy, this is the time to accumulate. And there we go, we are right now breaking higher, and we went really quickly from fear all the way to greed in less than 1 week. Right now we are neutral, but look at it, we already not in fear, we were yesterday in greed. And it's only a matter of time until we get once again to extreme greed, which takes some profit at this point. There are now 40 million addresses holding Bitcoin. Holy smokes, this is just getting bigger and bigger. Crypto is unstoppable. And Michael Saylor, of course, just as much bullish on Bitcoin as he was a couple decades ago about Apple, right? Something you absolutely know, right? He was like, hey, you gotta buy Apple. And he was like, went all in, and he got some critics like, why are you going all in on Apple? Now he gets critics, why you're going all in on Bitcoin? But once you believe in something, you stick to it for the long term. He's going to be the one laughing at the end when we become the first man to reach over $1 trillion, as he holds a lot of Bitcoin. Now we can see Terra Luna Foundation is actually acquiring a lot of Bitcoin recently, buying another $139 million worth of Bitcoin, and the wallet reaching 31,000 Bitcoin right after Tesla. So this is the Terra Luna Foundation, and essentially they're just getting started. That's what they're saying. Hold on, hold my beer, says Doc One, the Luna Foundation guard, non-profit organization around Terra. It's currently following through on its plan to back its new Terra USD stablecoin with both Bitcoin and its native Luna token. So they're right now the third largest holder of Bitcoin with the disclosed Bitcoin treasuries. Very nice to see that move coming from Terra Luna, and you can see where Terra Luna right now is at $108, up 15% in the last 7 days. So good big moves. We have integration of Bitcoin, Solana, Polygon, and other 5 blockchains coming to the Opera browser, further increasing the adoption of Web 3.0 that wanted to get more than 380 million mobile and desktop users worldwide. That is their aim, and they're moving towards it. Integrated Web3 focus initiative facilitating navigation across decentralized applications, games, and metaverse platforms. As part of this initiative, the browser company added support for 8 major blockchain ecosystem. So that's a very good move for the adoption and for the Opera browser. And we also have huge news coming from Metamask as it's rolling out its Apple Pay integration and other iOS devices. So now on, you can actually, for the iPhone users right now, you can start buying crypto right inside your mobile app. That's right. Metamask mobile version 4.3.1 is live with some exciting updates. Absolutely incredible. It doesn't get any easier than that. You can now use their Visas and MasterCards stored in Apple Pay to buy Ethereum and deposit a daily maximum $400 in their wallets. Yeah, so even they're constricting the amount of the money you can load. Still, it is a very, very, very big move in the positive direction of adoption of crypto. We also see a Visa program rollout for the creator program, where selected small business owners in fields like music, fashion, and film will be supported in expanding their operations through the use of NFTs. NFTs is just getting bigger. NFTs have the potential to become a powerful accelerator for the creator economy, said the head of crypto at Visas. Through the Visa Creator Program, we want to help this new breed of small and micro businesses tap into new mediums for digital commerce. Very ballsy move. Billionaire Mike Novogratz, in a recent interview, said people have realized crypto is really popular. He started to receive calls from lawmakers, essentially, and asking him to educate them about crypto. And he even said Janet Yellen, the head of Treasury, pivoted and was much more friendly to crypto than she has ever been. Said people have realized crypto is very popular, and I think you're going to see the Democrats taking a softer stance. Now, this story about hacking that came a couple days ago on the Ronin blockchain, when the hacker made off with $625 million of crypto, that's a lot of money. And essentially, this Ronin blockchain was supported the Axie Infinity, one of the most popular gamified platforms ever that exists right now. And essentially, it's not as easy for the hacker to offload the funds because they're blocking every single exchange are notified, and they're blocking those funds for them to enter into the crypto exchanges. So it's not that easy to cash out this large stolen of funds. And this is this 173,600 Ethereum and 25.5 million USDC. It is one of the largest hacks of all times in crypto. They hacked the private keys. And now the good news is that Sky Mavis pledges to reimburse players following Axie Infinity hack. Okay, so that's a good thing. And hopefully they're working with law authorities. They're going to be able to recover these funds at some point. Even if it takes a couple years, like it happened multiple times already, when for several years they were working behind the scenes and finally they got the funds, right? Looking at DeFi, at DeFi Llama, we can see a steady increase in the total TVL over the past weeks, and right now it's $230 billion total TVL. And you can see even where market was dipping from November all the way to February, it was not dipping as much as Bitcoin was dipping, right? So DeFi has been held in, and that's why staking and yielding and all of this lending, borrowing, etc. In DeFi, it really helps people to stay in crypto long enough to survive the bearish market cycles, right? So we're moving in the right direction. Talking about DeFi, the Animal Farm still is on pause. And for those of you that has been participating, hopefully you watched the video tutorials, etc., and you got all your pigs out and you moved it into the Pigs V2 that is soon going to be launched. And right now the vault migration is underway, and hopefully very soon we're going to continue with the farm and yield farming, and everything will get back to normal. Now, if you're a Shiba Inu holder, SHIB Metaverse is coming into play, an immersive experience that is positioned to become a massive environment for the SHIB army to grow, share, and benefit together. So that's really good news, and that's how the community is being fostered when we create more innovation, more use cases. So good to go. The SHIB army is doing the right steps. Solana surges right now a lot because NFT trading of OpenSea revealing they are going to support in April Sol-based NFTs on its platform OpenSea. The leading NFT marketplace OpenSea announced yesterday that it will add support for the Solana ecosystem in April. Solana NFT sales are surging elsewhere today. Really, really cool stuff. The best kept secret in Web 3.0. That's what they said. When Solana? When Solana? They are adding Solana very soon. They want to expand. They want to grow. So that's very, very good news for Solana. And DeFi blue chip Aave, which deals with lending, borrowing, mounting 30% in the past 24 hours, is still far away from its all-time highs, but it's the move in the right direction. They're innovating, they're creating version 3 of Aave right here protocol. V3 brings groundbreaking new features that span from increased capital efficiency to enhanced decentralization. So good to go, Aave. And we have the news coming from Dubai that Dubai schools will welcome tuition payments in Bitcoin and Ethereum, talking about adoption and Dubai becoming the hub for crypto payments, from vending machines, from paying for school tuition. So that's really, really cool. And I've been involved the last couple of days this week in a conference where there was a major announcement made with innovation coming to the Bitcoin mining space and combining it with NFT space, when the world's first NFTs that give you ownership of top performing miners. So you'll be able to actually get a hold of NFT, and by holding that NFT, you can receive Bitcoin mining rewards coming into your wallet. You can see it in the blockchain with a liquid powered cooling technology, providing you with maximum daily profits, equity ownership of hard assets, and long-term passive income. They said that after plugging a machine, which takes about 4 months and 8 months of earnings, you should get back your capital that you put into the NFT in about 1 year. And then from there, it is pure profits. So I already secured and pre-booked the liquid NFTs, all right? And if you want to learn more details, please let me know, because I can hook you up how you can do as well and give you some more details on that. So of course there is a lot more happening right now in the crypto space that I can cover in this brief and short video, but hope you are getting a taste of this exciting and booming crypto markets. It's about to get really, really much bigger in the coming years ahead. So be positioned, be prepared, never stop learning and educating yourself about the crypto space. There's plenty of opportunities to get wealthy with crypto. So stay on track, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.